In the class previous, we have started with the regular expression. Regular expression. Okay. In this, we have talked about expression which is generally goes ahead with the operands and operators. Okay. So basically, we have talked about what all the operators that it has. It has basically three operators that we will be working on. Those are your the operators that we will be working on is a plus, dot, and closer. This is also called as or. This is and this is a closer, which again it has a two flow flavors, that is positive and star. This star and this is positive closer. For this, I think we have discussed. This is star closer is generally considered with zero or more, zero or more. While when we talk about the positive closure, it goes with the one or more. In different way, when we talk about this in the first model, I have said the star, it means it accepts the epsilon. What is that epsilon? Nothing. Okay, null string, and it does not accept the epsilon, that is zero. So it starts with the one. Okay, so we have talked about this in the earlier class also. In today's class, we will be discussing on to some different flavors of these regular expression. We'll be discussing how to get the regular expression also and the automata also designed for that. Okay, so let's assume first some of the flavor of this. I remember we have discussed and designed some of the automatons in this fashion. When I say about the first operator, that is A plus B, it is represented or it is being read as A or B. So it will accept all the strings of A or B. So for this, we have designed and our automata in this fashion, which accepts all the strings either A, comma B. Okay, so this is my final state, right? A or B. As it is a parallel path, we can represent it using only one path. No need to give two paths. As they are the parallel, we can consider one path. That is for sure. Okay. Next, this is the first. Next, we have discussed about A dot B. It means you know the concatenation, or sorry, you know the appending. Yep, appending is nothing but joining the second part to the first one. So we are joining B after A. Okay, nothing but A comes first. After A, B is coming. Here it was not like that. Either A or B. In English statement, if I want to represent this expression, it will be either A or B. Maybe both. Maybe both, right? So that's how we have represented this automata like this. But this is different. It is saying, yes, we can accept in such a way, A's will be coming after that B's, right? This is how it will be. Now, how you are going to accept, how will be your automata? So it is your Q0, which is initial state. First, always A comes, okay, Q1, then B, and then it will reach to the final state. Got it? So this is the NFA for this. Okay. We in the first classes we will be only discussing about designing of NFA, because one difference point we have come up with, that designing of NFA or epsilon NFA is quite easier than the DFA, right? And we know the conversion method also to NFA or epsilon NFA to DFA. So for designing purpose, first we will be getting the automata from the regular expression for NFA or epsilon NFA. Yep. So this is one. The third one which we have talked about, the third operator, that is A closer, okay, and the next is A positive closer. As it is for this, I just wanted to explain you what all the possible strings which will be accepted. It is epsilon. Okay, let's assume you have to read in mathematics word. I will tell you this A positive closure is also represented in mathematics way A to the power n, where n stands for 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. If you put to the power 0, definitely it is 1. So you can consider actually it is epsilon also. In this a raised to power 0 in R term, it is 0, epsilon. So here epsilon will be accepted. Next string, if I put n equals to 1, a is accepted. Next a to the power 2, a square, and so on. Multiple paths. Okay, so for this we can represent it like this, as it is initialized in this final state. So here it is A. So without consuming anything, epsilon is accepted. 1A accepted. 2A multiple is as it is a loop. As it is a loop. Clear, guys? Let's talk about the A positive closure. A positive closure, we can represent it in mathematics A raised to power n, where n equals to n stands from 1 to say infinity. Infinity. So only the difference over here is it is 0, it starts with 1. It starts with 1. So how it will be? It is initial state is not the final state in this case. Because epsilon is not been accepted, it will start it will accept A, then A, then multiples. Okay. So for this, we will be representing automata in this fashion Q0. Okay. Then as it is a minimal string is 1A, so now you can say this is a final state at 1A, and after that let it be any number of A's. This is how it differs. A star closure or a positive. Here 1A minimum should be there. Here it is not required. Epsilon will be accepted here, epsilon will not be accepted. I hope basic three operators, that is your plus, dot, that is your appending, and maybe the star closure, this is the college closure. Okay, looping is closing. Okay, so I hope we have discussed these things and you don't have any problem with this. Let's move ahead with another important things. I'll be giving certain regular expression and we'll be seeing what is those. Okay, and then let's see another regular expression. If it is like this, AB, A plus B. Oh yeah, just a minute. Before that, I will take now AB the closure. What it means? What all possible strings can be accepted with for this? AB the whole closure. AB the whole closure. What all possible strings can be accepted with this? AB the whole closure. Sure. I hope the complete board is visible without blurring at any moment, at any point. Yeah, there is no blurring, it is completely visible. Yes, friends, just give an acknowledgement for this. Thank you so much. So let us go. AB the whole closure, what is the possible strings? So we have talked about A whole closure. This can be represented like this. This can be represented like this. We have talked here the possible W's are in epsilon, A, and so on. Right? So in this case, AB the whole closure, what are possible strings that we will be having? Obviously the first is epsilon because it's a star closure. The next is this you can consider as small a. So AB. Next friends, how will you writing AB the whole closer or will be power 2. Is it A square B square or AB? Which is the true out of this? This means what? Either this part A or part B, which is true. But because second term that in this is AB power 2. So part 1 is correct or part 2 is correct. Most of the people get confused between these two. Yeah. So part A is correct or part B is correct. Which one is correct? The output of the next possible string which will be accepting over here. What will be the correct one? A square B square or AB AB? It is 2. Yeah, very good. It is definitely it is AB AB. Next it is AB 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 and so on. Right? This is how you have to understand. Clear? If I want to make an automata for this, how will you do that? If I want to make an automata for this, it was very simple for this for getting the automata for A closer. Okay, we have to simply consider Q0 and make it like this. Okay, but how about this? How we are going to design automata for this? So let us see. Okay, because such kind of question is already given for your assignment. We'll be seeing what are the answers for those. So here first make the it is always advisable first always consider the minimal state. So as epsilon is getting accepted, it means initial state itself is a final state. So I will make the final state. Next is what? It is saying A is accepted. Sorry, not A, AB. And what I will do, I will be making like this. Now just check it out guys, whether this is the automata for this. Can what I say, closer, star closer, let it be star closer or positive closer, it is a loop. It is a looping. We have seen about the A positive, A closer also, as well as A positive closer. It was making the loop. Are you able to see there is also loop? Right? So closures are nothing but the looping statement in your you have seen in the C programming or any of the programming. The looping statements were there. So this is how the looping can be. So you can see epsilon is accepted. Next AB is also accepted. Next AB, two ABs are accepted. Three ABs are accepted. Multiple. It's a looping and number of things are accepted. I hope you are getting it, right? Okay. Let's move ahead with the next one. I hope you people are noting down all the things. All the things will be asked in the examination. So give complete attention to understand the things, and as your exams are quite nearing, you need to prepare thoroughly about this. Okay. Let's move ahead with the next one. If you understand this, let's talk about the A closer हो गया, A dot B हो गया. What about A plus B? This is very important class. This is very important. Okay. A plus B. Can you tell me what is the possible strings that can be formed with this regular expression? This is very important. Can you give me what is possible strings which can be accepted by this? Maybe one I will tell you. One definitely as it is closer, I will say epsilon. Right? What will be the next terms that can be accepted? It can be read as A, B. Yeah? And it is or. Tell me some of the other, maybe one by one you can tell me, sir, this can be possible, these strings can be possible, which can be accepted by the automata or by this regular expression. Tell me the next strings, maybe one or two strings. We'll be discussing, this is very important. We'll be using this regular expression for multiple times as you will be seeing in our model 2 and model 3. Yeah? It can be read as I have got answer A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay. So, okay. So this was the correct answer, and this is Okay, Akshata, can we have a BA also? As you have given A, comma B, comma AB, whether BA is possible because A or B, whole closure. Okay, I can start with A, I can start with B, anything. In A dot B it was not, it is always starts with the A. Okay, in this case either A or B, you can start with anything, right? So can I consider BA also? Yeah, there you go. That is also possible. This is for the line 2. As it is closer, maybe n number of lengths can be possible. We know closer means infinity power. That's what I have explained with the mathematical way also. Right? So can you tell me about the 3 length? This is all about 1 length, 2 length. This is not the complete 2 length. Can we have AA also? AA. I will not make a combination with B. I can make the combination with AA. I can make the combination with the BB only. I will not make the combination with A for the B. Right? So this is all the strings possible with the length 2. The same way, can we have the possibilities of a line 3? A, B, A, B, A. Right? Next, B. Then B, A, B, A. This is all the 3 lengths possibilities are there. Maybe line 4. See guys, it is very simple. It is nothing but, it is nothing but, it is nothing but all the strings, all the strings possible over A and B, I will say as universal set over alphabet A, comma B. All the possibilities of including epsilon of the strings over A and B. This is how it is. Okay. Okay. If you did not understand, just a minute. Let's discuss how it will be. A plus B. Okay. Now I'll make A closer. Okay. I'll just separate it. Or AB. This is the first. So what I'll be doing, as it is closer, epsilon will be accepted. As A or B is accepted, right? Yes. Now, as it is closer, so what I can do, I can simply make it as A closer also. So what all possibilities of A, it is going to be accepted. So what are possibilities of A? What are possibilities of A? It is A we have already taken, A, and so on. Okay, it is not N. Then we can, in the same fashion, we can make the B's possibilities also. So B already taken, B. Now it can have A closer. So I can consider A closer plus B closer. Can it be possible? This is what it can be, right? I can make either A closer or B closer. Now what happens? I consider one A from here and two B's from here. As it is or, I can club them. There is no problem. So I can get another string A, B. Or what I can do, I'll start with the B's, then I'll start with A. I can get the B also. Is that? I can get the B. In this fashion, it can generate all the possible strings which can be made using the alphabets A and B. That's why we are calling it a universal set over alphabet A and B. So whenever in the previous classes we have discussed, when there was a concept of ending with A or in between A, I used to make the cross for the X. I used to make it X. That X is nothing but this. We are discussing about it. Okay. I hope you understood about A plus B the whole closer. This is nothing but universal set. Will you find it, students? Yeah. Hope you understood A plus B the whole closer is also called as the universal set. we will be utilizing it. Okay. So can I proceed further now? Okay. Is there any doubt? Shall I give more time for this, or shall I move ahead? Okay, thank you. So let's. This is a plus b the whole closure. Okay. In the same fashion, you can understand a plus b the positive closure also. Here, epsilon will not be there. Other than that, everything is wrong. Now let me take directly the problems. Directly the problems. So, design a regular expression. Design regular expression. For regular expression in shorts, I will be representing with the RE, regular expression. For language, for a language which accepts which accepts all strings all strings all strings which accept all strings of starting with A over alphabet A comma B. Okay, we are going to get the regular expression for this language which accepts the strings of starting with A over alphabet A comma B. Over alphabet A comma B. You have to design first regular expression, then we'll talk about the converting that regular expression into automata, because right now you people are already familiar with the automata. We are making today in this class to get familiar with the regular expression. From this regular expression, we are going to draw the automata. So first you have to understand there are the certain keywords that we are going to make. Okay. Now here it's starting with, it's saying it is starting with A. So this can be represented in this fashion. A, all the strings should be accepted. All the strings which are starting with A should be accepted. We are least bother about the last में code. It can be A, it can be B, it can be any combination of A and B. It can be epsilon. It can be only A. It can be only A, right? In this fashion, your regular expression will be what will be the regular expression? A should be first, dot. After that, what it can be? I'm saying any combination of A and B. So what will you understand from this word? Any combination of A and B. Which of the things we have discussed earlier? Any combination, any means 0 or more. Whereas any combination of A and B, what it can be? In the regular expression, it is nothing but A plus B the whole closure. It gives any combination or all the combination over A and B. Now this is a regular expression. This is a regular expression. For this, you can design an automata. I think we have designed an automata for this also in earlier classes. How will you design an automata or NFL? So Q0, Q1 over A, it is going as it is a dot product. It starts, then the next. So it is a serial combination. We know if it is plus, it's a parallel. If it is dot, it is going to be serial. In your, I think you have discussed these things in your electrical or electronic subject, serial and parallel paths. Okay. Next, A plus B, the whole closure. So I think we have discussed about this. It is A comma B. A plus b the whole closure can be represented like this. So this is A dot A plus b the whole closure. Now you can see here A is accepted, and after A, let it be any combination of A and B, as it is a looping statement. It will get accepted. I hope you people are understanding, right? Okay. Shall I proceed with the next now? Which accept all the strings of, yeah. If I make okay, let me directly tell you uh, the next question with this. If you are in doubt, please ask me with this. The next I'll talk to you about. No doubts? Okay, fine. See guys, all those questions will be asked in IS, so it is better you should understand what you are going to learn now. Okay. The next question that I'll be asking you: set of strings containing of any number of A's. Set of strings. Set of strings accepted by any number of A's, followed by any number of B's, followed by any number of C's. Now the keyword that you have to understand here is, first is any number. Whenever you find any number, you have to understand epsilon is one of them. Okay, if I say positive number or minimum one number, okay, then it would have been positive closure. Any number means with accepting the epsilon, it means closure, that is star closure. Then I will be saying closure. By default, you have to understand I'm talking about the star closure. Understood? Now, this is the first keyword. Whenever in the question it is mentioned as any number, you have to understand here we are going to apply the clean closure or star closure, right? The next you have to understand, the next keyword is followed by. Whenever there is a followed by concept, it means you are going, it is saying about, it is telling about serial combination. Okay, if it would have been or, it would have been the parallel combination. So these are the certain keywords in the question that you have to find out and you have to understand. Okay, so as it is followed by, we have seen A dot B. B's are following A. That is how we can represent, or we can talk in that way. So here you have to talk the regular expression. How? Set of string accepted by any number of A's. How will you represent any number of A's? Class. How will you represent any number of A's? Tell me first. How you are representing any number of A's over here? Good. It is A star. Any number of A's. One, no A, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, any number of A's will be represented by this. Followed by dot. Any number of B's. How will you represent any number of B's? Not dot. Any number of B's. Then followed by मतलब आपको समझना है. It is a serial combination. Serial means and means dot. You will consider. And followed by any number of C's. So the regular expression that you are going to generate is this one. Okay. So this kind of question will be asked for 4 to 6 marks, where the question will be given and you have to generate the respective regular expression. Okay. We'll be discussing one more. Strings of, yeah. mostly asked question, not mostly, but one of the asked question will be taking. This is also university asked question. Did you understand or any doubts with this class? You can expect such question in your internal assessments, right? The next question that we'll be discussing is now. Uh, it is strings of A's and B's whose length is 2. Strings of A's and B's whose length is 2. It is very simple, no? Can you tell me? Length is 2. Strings of A's and B's means alphabet is given. Alphabets are A and B. Length is 2. What is the possible regular expression for this? See guys, A or B into A or B. Okay. Now, if I make the Cartesian product or dot product for this, what all possibility you will be getting is actually this is your regular. This is the answer for your regular expression, but in different way I will represent. It can be A with length 2, then AB, then BA and BB. Right? Only this is possible. Okay, these are the strings which are possible with this, with the length. Now, how we are going to write? See, the four strings are possible with this, with the length 2 over A and B. So, either this means this or this or this or this. How you represent this in a regular format? This is one of the answer that you can represent this as your regular expression, or you can represent it this as a regular expression equals to here AA or means you are going to return plus AB plus BA plus BB. I'm sorry. Okay. So this is the, you can consider this as one of the answer, or you can, because it has only these four possibilities. Okay, so you have to club them, join them with or operator, either this or this or this or this, right? Understood, class? Yep. Let's talk about once again some other questions. Okay, so obtain a regular expression. Now I'm changing the question. Obtain a regular expression to accept the strings A and B of length less than equal to 2. Less than equal to 2. Can you tell me what is the answer for this? What is the possible regular expression for this? Less than or equals to 2. These are equal to 2. What is the possibility to have less than or equal to 2? This is 2, for which we'll be adding epsilon or A or B plus. I just need a certain space. Epsilon plus A plus B. So this is length 0, these are length 1, and these are length 2. Okay, this is how you can get it. Okay, the next question I'll talk about in this way. Obtain a regular expression of length. Okay, length 10, let us assume. Okay. Instead of this, I'll talk strings of A's and B's whose uh, with having even length. It accepts the strings of A's and B's having even length. Now, this question was also asked in the examination. Even length and odd length. Okay, even length. In this way, first will be even length. We'll be always talking about as it is even length. It is talking about the even length. So how will you do? See guys, ऑटोमेट आपका कैसे बनता है जिसमें इवन लेंथ हो. इवन लेंथ है तो आपका जीरो भी आता है. If you remember, we have discussed this. Q0 itself is an accepted state. AA or sorry, A comma B. It can be A. It can start with A or B. Doesn't matter. As well as A comma B. Right? So you can see here the looping over here. So what are the combination of A over B? We have seen just now. It is, so the good expression goes like this. Here I can say A, all the four possibilities we can write down. AA plus AB plus BB plus BA. Okay? The whole closer. It will be closer, right? It will be closed. What all the four possibilities are here? This is what. This is nothing but, or you can represent. This is what you can represent it like this: A plus B dot A plus B, the whole closure is nothing but, because A plus B dot A plus B are nothing but this. Getting guys? A plus B dot A plus B we have already discussed. This is what? This. A or B, this is path dot, this is the path. Right? So closure is nothing but it can directly consider the epsilon also. So epsilon is also one of them. So we are directly getting it. Now if I ask you the question, instead of even length, if I make it as odd length, what all changes you will be making? Okay? For the odd length. Only one change you have to make. How to convert these even to odd or odd to even. कैसे करोगे? How your automata gets changed? For odd length, this is for even. For odd length, how will you do that? See, try to understand, guys. Odd length में होता क्या है आपका? Q0 minimum string is 1, so it is accepted A comma B. It can be A or it can be B. Then this is your 1A is accepted. 1A is accepted. So I will say A plus B. Now there can be multiple A's, right? A comma B. Now here 1 is accepted, then 2 is, 3 is, and 4 is. So likewise it will be accepting. So I will say A plus B dot A plus B the whole closure. Nothing but it is even into odd. It is odd only. Okay. So this is also a regular expression for odd. Odd में क्या बन जाएगा? This is what we have to add either one A or one B. Because see, if it is a 6 number, 6 plus 1 will be odd. Or 6 plus maybe, okay, 1 we are adding only one A or one B. It is not A and B, it is A or B. Only one we are appending to the even part. It becomes odd, right? So this is how the regular expressions that we are going to see. In the next class, we will be discussing once again about the regular expression only. So I may use the PPTs for because it was very simple concept, theoretical concepts also are there. So we'll be discussing that. So if you have any doubt related with this, you can put it in the chat box and we'll see. Because I'm winding up the session for today, and this is what the basic requirement to understand the regular expression and the conversion of automata to the regular expression to automata. In the next class, we'll be again continuing the session. Along with that, we will be designing the automata for the respective regular expression, where I will be introducing the concept of epsilon NF once again. Epsilon NF. We will be designing the epsilon NF. For that, what all things are required, we will be seeing. So next class is a very important, that is on Saturday it seems. Okay, so don't miss, as you people are having the class exams from the Monday onwards. So till epsilon NFA, the construction of regular designing of epsilon NFA using regular expression, we will be having in the examination. Okay, So if you have any doubt, please you can ask.